we have 483 minus 442. So we can subtract by finding the difference, by starting on 442 and then counting up until we get to 483. So we know that we don't need to add any hundreds because 100 would take us to 542 and that would be too many. So let's start by adding tens. We can add 4 tens or 40 to get to 482, and then we just need to add 1 unit and we've reached 483. So we added 40 and then 1, so we added 41 altogether, so that's our answer. Now we have 543 minus 517. So let's start on 517. How many tens do we need to add? Well, we don't want to go to 547 because that would be too many. So we need to get to 537. So we need to add 20. Now we can add 3 to get to 540, and another 3 takes us to 543. So how many have we added altogether? 20 plus 3 plus 3 is 26. So we know that 543 minus 517 equals 26. Now pause the video and see if you can find the difference between 745 and 709. So starting at 709, we don't want to go to 749 because that would be too many. So we need to get to 739. So we need to add 30. Now, adding 1 takes us to 740, and another 5 takes us to 745. So altogether, we've added 36, so there's our answer. Now we have 651 minus 588. Now the hundreds digit is different for these numbers, so you might think we need to start by adding hundreds. But if we add 100 to 588, we would get 688, and that would be too many. So we need to start by adding tens. If we add 2 tens, that takes us to 608. And then, if we add another 40, that takes us to 648. Now adding 2 takes us to 650, and then we just need 1 more to reach 651. So we added 40, 20, 2, and 1. 40 and 20 makes 60, 2 and 1 makes 3, so altogether we added 63. So 651 minus 588 equals 63. Now pause the video and see if you can answer 834 minus 767 by finding the difference. So if we start on 767, adding 100 would take us to 867, which would be too many. So we need to start by adding tens. If we add 40, that takes us to 807. And now another 20 takes us to 827. Now we can add units. So 3 more takes us to 830, and another 4 gives us 834. So we added 40, 20, 4 and 3. 40 and 20 makes 60, 4 and 3 makes 7, so we added a total of 67. So we know that 834 minus 767 equals 67.